Here's the latest video update from the National Weather Service for Tropical Storm Hilary. Still a significant storm to impact Southern California on Sunday. Some of the key takeaways are listed here. Heavy rain, potential for catastrophic flooding in the mountains and deserts. Flood watch is in effect, and also a tropical storm warning is in effect for storm force warning level winds that are expected with the main tropical cyclone Sunday afternoon and evening. The center is expected to move right through San Diego County and western Riverside County. This map here is where you can follow the wind speeds, the rainfall, and also all the latest hazards such as the tropical storm warning and flood watch. Any additional warnings will show up on this map. The latest guidance indicates that Tropical Cyclone Hilary is accelerating and will be moving into San Diego County during the afternoon hours, reaching western Riverside by late afternoon, early evening, around 6 o'clock as shown here. Tropical storm force winds are still expected to make landfall into much of southwest Southern California as shown here. The radar, this is a forecast radar showing the eye and the eye wall that will be moving through. Large areas of rain, embedded heavy rain and thunderstorms will accompany this eye of Hilary on Sunday, anytime during the day and continuing into Sunday evening. Wind speed forecasts here show that the eye center will move into San Diego County as shown here. The winds will increase during the morning hours as shown here, with the direction of the wind indicated by the arrow, where the wind's coming from. When the eye actually moves inland into the United States or San Diego County, this is a projection of what it may look like as it enters San Diego County around 3 p.m. Sunday afternoon, and then lifts northward early evening into western Riverside County. Again, the wind direction is coming from with the arrow pointed along the wind barbs. Some lightning safety. Please understand that with a tropical cyclone, lightning is possible at any time. When thunder roars, go indoors. Anytime you hear thunder, that's when you should take a break, go inside a vehicle, or go inside a home. Flood safety. We do expect potential for significant flooding, especially in the mountains and deserts. Please obey all signs of closure, including when flooded, turn around, don't drown. Wind safety. There'll be some unusual wind with this type of storm, and a tropical storm warning thus is in effect. The strongest winds and the shifting winds will be associated with Tropical Cyclone Hilary's center moving through San Diego County Sunday afternoon. What you need to know, a tropical storm warning is in effect for all of Southwest California. Flood watch also in effect. All types of flooding are possible. Flash flooding, small stream, urban flooding, and even potential for river flooding due to the rainfall predictions shown here. Not just significant rainfall totals, but very high rainfall rates. Here are the key messages for Hurricane Hilary in recap. Flooding is the main concern. Wind is also a secondary concern. And last but not really least is the large swell generated up in the California Bight coming from the south. The moisture on the satellite is shown here, significant large area of moisture moving up the Baja. The wind speeds that are forecast, these are wind gusts. So sustained winds of 30 to 40 miles per hour will be widespread at some point on Sunday, with wind gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour and even higher in some of the mountain slopes and deserts. These type of winds can cause damage. The rainfall, as mentioned, is the most significant in this storm. The projections are that the rain will be most significant and intense, if not record-breaking, in the mountains and parts of the deserts. The latest rainfall forecast from the National Weather Service is issued here. Take a look at your area. We continue to forecast 1 to 2 inches along the coast, with 2 to 4 inches inland, and widespread 3 to 5 inches across the deserts, with even higher totals on the east side of the mountains. The swell will be coming up from the south as shown here and entering into the California Bight on Sunday into early Monday. Some of the marine highlights are shown here. South-facing beaches will have the highest surf, particularly in Orange County. High tide will be an impact with the heavy rain and the high surf as well, and you can see the different tide levels that have occurred recently and will be occurring on Sunday, August 20th. Ocean impacts are indicated here. Tropical storm warning is the main message. There will be some storm surge, and timing with the high tides will be important, along with the heavy rain and the eye wall of Irene as it moves through. Land impacts could be numerous, especially in the mountains and deserts, including road washouts and power outages. Trees also may be down from the strong winds. And keep in mind that wind directions over the ocean and over the deserts and mountains will be coming from different directions with the circulation of Hilary. Excessive rainfall for Saturday night is indicated here, and rainfall is expected to increase early Sunday morning. On Sunday, the most significant widespread heavy rain is expected, with the potential for extreme rainfall rates and totals from the mountains all throughout the deserts as shown in the purple, with still a threat for flooding in the red areas. Key takeaways: heavy rainfall, a flash flood watch is in effect. Tropical storm force winds will arrive around midday on Sunday, with the strongest winds Sunday afternoon and early evening as the center moves from south to north, San Diego County into western Riverside County. Therefore, tropical storm warning is in effect.